हरि ओम्। स्फुरद्रत्नकेयूरहाराभिरामश्चलत्कुण्डलश्रीलसद्गण्डभागः कटौ पीतवासाः करे चारुशक्तिः पुरस्तान्ममास्तां पुरारेस्तनूजः। स्फुरत् रत्नकेयूरहार अभिरामः चलत्कुण्डलश्रीलसत्गण्डभागः कटौ पीतवासाः करे चारुशक्तिः पुरस्तात् मम आस्तां पुरारेः तनूजः। मम पुरस्तात् आस्तां, मे ही कम बिफोर मी. Purastat means in front of me. Acharya is keeping a prarthana here again that Shanmukha should come before him. How is this Shanmukha is being described? Purarehe tanujaha. Tanujaha means, tanu means sharira. Born from his sharira. We already saw in the previous shloka how Sadashiva Parameshwara says, Mama angodbhavaha tvam asi iti. We saw in the previous shloka. Here, Purarehe tanujaha. That means, Purarehe means Purasya Arihi, enemy of the Tripura, right? Here, Sadashiva, Purameritta Emperuman, we say, right? He destroyed the 3 cities. So, he is the enemy of Pura. So, Tripura. So, Purarehe Kumaraha, son of Sadashiva, Mama Purastat Astam, may he come in front of me. And how is Adi Shankara asking him to come in front of him? The Alankara description is given. Sphurat Ratna Keyura Harabhiramaha. Abhiramaha means very beautiful. What is beautiful? The Keyura and Hara that he is wearing. Keyura is the one we call it Vangi in Tamil. The dancers wear, right? Bharatanatyam, the dancers wear it in their arms. Armlets, we can say in English, I guess. So, Keyura, and it is studded with Ratna, and also the Hara that he's wearing, the necklace that he's wearing. These two are so beautiful that it is Spurat. It is shining and very beautiful. And then Chalat Kundala Shri Lasat Ganda Bhagaha, the beauty of the Kundala that he's wearing, the earrings that he's wearing is swinging. It is swinging. The kundala is swinging. The earrings are swinging and they are shining. They are touching the ganda bhagaha is the cheek. When they are swinging, they are touching his beautiful or shining cheeks. Ganda bhagaha. Then katau pita vasaha. Then the kati pradesham here again. It is with the pita vasaha means pita vastram. He is wearing yellow color vastram, and in his hands he is holding the charu shakti, is the veil that we say, right? His ayudham, I think it's called spear in English. Charu shakti is the veil, his ayudham in his hand, kare in his hand, he is holding the charu shakti. Such a Shanmukha, who is the son of the one who destroyed the 3 cities and who shines, who is so beautiful with the Ratna Keyura and Hara, who is shining with the Keyura armlet that is studded with Ratna and Hara necklace that is shining. Then his earrings that are swinging, the beauty of his earrings that are swinging and touching the beautiful Gandabhaga cheeks. Then the Katipradesham, one who wears the Pita Vastram, Pitambaram on his waist, and one who holds the Shakti Ayudham in his hand, Velayudham we say, right? Ayudham in his hand. Such a Shanmukha, Mama Purastat Astam, may you appear in front of me. See, such an Alankara description that Acharya is saying, the Tatparyam is, he says, the Indriya, see, with these Indriyas only, we are enjoying the Alankaram and the appearance of Shanmukha. If my indriyas are indulging in your alankaram and in your swarupam, then it will be withdrawn from other indriya vishayas that are distracting. We'll see the shloka now. स्फुरद्रत्नकेयूरहाराभिरामश्चलत्कुण्डलश्रीलसद्गण्डभागः कटौ पीतवासाः करे चारुशक्तिः पुरस्तान्ममास्तां पुरारेस्तनूजः.